In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a domain in Hostinger Hosting. Whether you're tidying up your online presence or simply need to make some changes, this straightforward task can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Hostinger is the platform we're using for this tutorial, and their interface is user-friendly, which makes the process quite simple. Once you've reached Hostinger's homepage, it's time to log into your account. Make sure you log in with the correct credentials so you'll have the necessary access to manage your domains effectively. After logging in, you will be directed to Hostinger's control panel. From there, locate and click on the Websites tab. This is where you'll find a list of all your domains and hosting plans. It's important to ensure that you're on the right page where all domains associated with your account are visible. Once you've done that, the next step is to look for the specific domain you wish to delete. Next to your chosen domain name, you will notice a set of 3 dots, typically representing additional options in digital menus. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to manage your domain. Among these options, find and select Change Domain. This option is crucial, as it's the step that brings you closer to deleting your current domain. Upon selecting Change Domain, you will most likely encounter a confirmation prompt or a page that asks you to verify your decision. It's vital to review this step carefully because changing or deleting a domain is generally a permanent action and could affect other services linked to it. Make sure you double-check your selection to avoid any unintended errors. Once you are absolutely certain and have verified your decision, click on the Change button. This action finalizes the process of deleting or unlinking the domain from your Hostinger account. The interface will then confirm the change, and you should receive a notification that the domain has been successfully deleted or modified as per your instruction. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to delete a domain in Hostinger Hosting. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you. Remember, always double check before making irreversible changes to avoid any issues. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day.